Welcome to this guide on how to close or deactivate your Paga account. If you want to permanently close or deactivate your account, follow these exact steps. You might not be able to do this on your app, but just follow the steps. First thing to do is open your email app and compose a new email using the email address linked to your Paga account. Secondly, let the recipient address be service@paga.com. service@paga.com. Then the third thing is, in the subject line, type request to close Paga account. Request to close Paga account. Then the fourth thing is, in the body of the email, clearly state that you wish to close or deactivate your account. Include your full name, registered phone number, account number, and if you are comfortable, you can also add a brief reason for closing it. Then the fifth thing is, ensure you do not have any money in your account. Make sure your Paga account balance is 0 and empty before sending the email, as remaining funds can delay the process. So lastly, send the email and wait for Paga's customer support team to review your request and reply with confirmation. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and take care.